Hi everyone, this is the Nordic Venture Show, your guide to the exciting world of Nordic startups and venture capital. In today's episode, we're exploring a startup called Silo AI.
Welcome to our deep dive, and today we're going to be taking a look at Silo AI.
Silo AI.
You got it, Europe's largest private AI lab, and they're doing some seriously cool stuff.
Yeah.
Like building AI solutions across all sorts of industries, like from smart cities to self-driving cars.
I see.
But here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
Silo AI was recently acquired by AMD.
Right.
You know, the tech giant.
Yeah.
So today we're going to unpack what this acquisition means for the future of AI.
Right.
And for you as well.
It's a big deal.
Absolutely.
For sure.
So first things first.
Yeah.
Who is Silo AI?
So Silo AI, they're like the brain trust of Europe when it comes to AI.
Got it.
Over 300 AI experts.
Wow.
Including 125 PhDs.
That's a lot of brain power.
These folks are the real deal.
So not just some startup kind of playing around with code.
No.
They've got some serious firepower here.
Right.
But what are they actually doing with all that brain power?
So they're building AI-driven products for a huge range of industries.
Like what?
Like automotive, maritime, energy construction. You name it, they're probably working on it.
So they're not just theorists then.
No.
They're actually building real-world solutions.
Yeah.
That's what I like to hear. Tell me more about some of the work they're doing.
Okay, so take the automotive industry.
Okay.
Silo AI is using what's called generative AI.
Generative AI.
Yes.
Okay.
To completely change how we interact with our cars.
Interesting.
Imagine a dashboard that's totally personalized to you.
Okay.
Adapting to your driving style.
Wow.
Or voice controls that actually understand what you mean.
Okay.
Not just robotic commands.
I see.
That's the kind of future that Silo AI is building with generative AI.
That's not just cool. That's straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Right.
I'm sold. What else are they working on?
In the maritime world,
Okay.
they've developed this system called Manta.
Manta?
Yes.
Okay.
For a company called Elomatic.
Right.
It's an asset performance management system, but in plain English, that means it helps ships run more efficiently and smoothly.
Got it.
Think of it like a super smart AI assistant for the entire ship.
So they're making waves in the maritime industry too.
Yeah.
Literally.
Literally.
So what about energy?
Okay.
I know they're big on sustainability.
Right. They're working with a company called DHIAS
Okay.
to create a system that uses computer vision to protect endangered birds from wind turbines.
Hold on, AI that can protect birds.
Yeah.
How does that even work?
It's actually pretty ingenious.
Okay.
Wind turbines can be deadly for birds.
Yeah.
But Silo AI developed an AI system that can detect birds in flight
Wow.
and alert the turbine to shut down temporarily, preventing any collisions.
That's amazing.
It's AI being used for good, which is something Silo AI is passionate about.
It's seriously impressive.
Yeah.
They're not just building cool tech,
Right.
but they're also thinking about the impact it has on the world.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to ask about the construction industry.
Okay.
I know from the sources that you sent me that they're doing some innovative things in that space as well.
You're right. They've partnered with a company called
Beckler.
Yes.
Okay.
To create an AI-driven platform that's all about making the construction industry more sustainable.
So how would they do that?
Imagine buildings made from eco-friendly materials, designed and built with the help of AI to minimize waste and environmental impact.
That's a game changer, especially with all the concerns about the environmental impact of construction these days.
Yeah.
So we've covered automotive,
Yeah.
maritime energy, and now construction.
Right.
I'm starting to see why AMD was so interested in acquiring them.
Exactly. Silo AI's expertise spans so many industries.
Yeah.
They're not just a one-trick pony. They're a whole stable of AI thoroughbreds.
Okay, let's talk about this AMD acquisition.
Yeah.
Because this is huge news in the tech world.
Right.
In August of 2024, AMD, this giant in the semiconductor world, acquired Silo AI.
It's a big one.
What do you make of this?
Well, it's a significant move without a doubt. A hardware company like AMD investing in a specialized AI lab like Silo AI.
Yeah.
It tells me they see AI as a key part of their future.
Interesting.
It's like they're saying,
Okay.
make the brains, now we need the brilliance.
And that brilliance is exactly what Silo AI brings to the table.
Right. They're not just a bunch of coders.
No.
They have a deep understanding of how to apply AI to solve real-world problems across a variety of industries. That kind of expertise is invaluable.
So what are the potential ripple effects of this acquisition?
Well,
What can we expect to see happen in the AI world and beyond?
I think we can expect to see some major acceleration in the development of AI,
Okay.
especially AI that's optimized for AMD hardware.
Okay.
Think faster processing, smoother performance, and maybe even totally new AI applications that we haven't even thought of yet.
So it's like they're putting Silo AI's brain power on super speed?
Right.
But what does that actually mean for, say, someone like me
Okay.
who isn't building AI models every day?
Well, that's the exciting part.
Okay.
This partnership has the potential to touch so many aspects of our lives.
Like what?
Imagine your smartphone becoming even smarter,
Okay.
with personalized experiences that are tailored to you in ways that we can't even imagine right now.
Okay.
Or think about the healthcare industry. AI could play a much bigger role in diagnosing diseases earlier, in developing treatments that are specific to your needs.
Okay, so we're talking personalized medicine.
Right.
Smarter phones.
Yeah.
This is starting to feel very futuristic.
It is.
But let's bring it back to Silo AI for a second.
Okay.
One thing that really struck me about them was their commitment to building AI for people. What does that actually mean in practice?
It's about ensuring that AI is used to benefit humanity, not just to make profits or automate everything in sight. Silo AI is very focused on the ethical implications of their work.
Got it.
They want to make sure that the AI they develop is used responsibly and doesn't cause harm.
So it's not just about the cool tech.
Right.
It's also about the impact it has on people and society.
Exactly. Silo AI understands that AI is a powerful tool.
Yeah.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. They're committed to using it for good.
You know, their work on protecting birds with AI is a perfect example of that.
Yeah.
It's not just a cool tech demo.
Right.
It's actually making a real difference in the world.
Absolutely. And if we look at their partnership with Kerber Digital, it's another great example of how they're putting their AI for people philosophy into action.
Remind me, what's the Kerber Digital partnership all about?
It's all about bringing AI to the edge, which basically means bringing AI processing power closer to where the data is being generated, like on a device itself rather than relying on the cloud.
Right, like having AI smarts built directly into your phone.
Exactly.
Or a factory robot.
Exactly. It's faster, more efficient, and often more secure.
Got it.
And Silo AI is working with Kerber Digital to make edge AI a reality in a way that benefits both businesses and individuals.
I'm seeing a pattern here.
Yeah.
Silo AI isn't just about building the most advanced AI. They're really thinking about how to use it in a way that makes a positive impact.
Right.
Okay, let's shift gears back to the AMD acquisition for a moment.
Okay.
You mentioned earlier that we might see entirely new AI applications emerge from this partnership.
Yeah.
Can you give me some concrete examples of what that might look like?
Well, imagine self-driving vehicles that are even more sophisticated and reliable than what we have today.
Okay.
Thanks to the combination of Silo AI's algorithms and AMD's processing power.
I see.
Or think about factories where robots work alongside humans seamlessly, each doing what they do best, thanks to AI that's both powerful and safe.
So it's not about robots replacing humans then.
Right.
It's about robots and humans working together more effectively.
Exactly.
I like that vision.
It's about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them.
Okay, we've talked about the potential benefits, but I have to ask, are there any potential downsides to this acquisition?
Sure.
What about the concerns we hear so much about?
Yeah.
Like AI taking jobs or being used for harmful purposes?
Those are valid concerns, and it's important to acknowledge them.
Yeah.
Any powerful technology comes with potential risks, and AI is no exception.
Sure.
However, I think it's also important to remember that technology itself is neutral. It's how we choose to use it that determines whether it's beneficial or harmful.
So it's not about fearing the technology.
Right.
It's about making sure we use it wisely.
Exactly. And that's where companies like Silo AI, with their focus on human-centric AI development, have a crucial role to play.
Okay.
They understand that AI is not just about algorithms and data.
Right.
It's about people. And they're working to ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits all of humanity.
I have to say, I'm really impressed by what I'm hearing about Silo AI.
Yeah.
They're not just brilliant minds.
Right.
They seem to be genuinely committed to using their talents for good.
I agree. They're a company to watch,
Yeah.
especially now that they have the backing of a global tech giant like AMD.
This has been a fascinating deep dive so far.
It has.
We've learned about Silo AI's incredible expertise, their commitment to building AI for good,
Right.
and the potential impact of this AMD acquisition on everything from our smartphones to the future of work.
Yeah.
It feels like we're on the verge of a major shift in the AI landscape.
We are, and I'm excited to see what the future holds.
Yeah.
Especially for a company like Silo AI that's at the forefront of this revolution, speaking of the future.
So we've been talking about all the amazing things that Silo AI is doing,
Yeah.
from revolutionizing car interfaces to protecting endangered birds.
Right.
And now with AMD on board, it feels like the possibilities are kind of endless.
Yeah.
What's next for Silo AI? What does the future hold?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It is.
We've already seen how Silo AI has impacted industries like automotive, maritime, energy, and construction. And now with AMD's resources and global reach, those impacts are likely to amplify significantly.
So we're talking about taking what they're already doing and putting it on steroids.
Exact. Think about their work with Kerber Digital on Edge AI.
Okay.
Combine Silo AI's expertise with AMD's powerful hardware, and suddenly Edge AI becomes much more powerful and accessible. We could see a rapid expansion of Edge AI applications in everything from smart factories to self-driving cars.
So faster, more powerful AI everywhere.
Yeah.
But what does that actually look like in the real world?
So imagine a world where your refrigerator can order groceries before you run out.
Wow.
Your car can navigate traffic jams autonomously.
Okay.
And your doctor can diagnose illnesses with incredible accuracy. Gotcha.
All thanks to AI that's seamlessly integrated into our lives.
That sounds amazing, but also a little bit scary.
Yeah.
I mean, AI making all these decisions for us.
Right.
What about human control?
Well, that's a crucial point.
Okay.
The future of AI isn't about machines taking over.
Got it.
It's about humans and machines working together. Silo AI understands this. They're not just focused on building powerful AI.
Right.
They're focused on building AI that empowers humans, that makes our lives better and safer.
And with AMD's backing, they have the resources to really make that vision a reality.
Exactly. This partnership is a game changer, not just for Silo AI and AMD, but for the entire AI landscape.
Okay, so we've talked about the potential for some amazing advancements.
Right.
But are there any potential downsides to this partnership?
Well,
what should we be cautious about?
I think the biggest challenge is ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly.
Okay.
As AI becomes more powerful, we need to be extra vigilant about issues like bias, privacy, and security.
Yeah. We need to make sure that AI is used for good, not for harm.
So it's not just about the technology itself, it's about how we choose to use it.
Exactly. And that's where Silo AI's commitment to human-centric AI development is so important.
Right.
They understand that AI is not just about algorithms and data. It's about people.
Yeah.
And they're working to build AI that reflects our values and serves our needs.
That's reassuring. It sounds like the future of AI, at least with companies like Silo AI at the helm, is in good hands.
I believe so, too.
Yeah.
They have the talent, the resources, and the vision to shape the AI landscape in a positive way.
This has been an incredible deep dive into the world of Silo AI.
It really has.
We've learned so much about their expertise, their mission, and the potential impact of this AMD acquisition.
We've only just scratched the surface.
Yeah.
But hopefully you, our listener, now have a better understanding of Silo AI and their role in shaping the future of AI.
Before we wrap up, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought.
Okay.
Silo AI is pushing the boundaries of AI in some incredible ways.
Uh-huh.
And with AMD by their side, who knows what they'll achieve next?
Right.
But the real question is, what role will you play in this AI-powered future?
Yeah.
What will you do with the amazing opportunities that AI presents?
That's a question worth pondering.
It is.
The future of AI is being written right now.
Yeah.
And we all have a part to play in shaping it.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of Silo AI.
It's been a pleasure.
We'll see you next time on The Deep Dive, where we'll explore another fascinating corner of the tech universe.
Thanks for listening to the Nordic Venture Show. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more stories of innovation from the Nordics.